Hi, this is Raihan. In this video, I will show you to make a n8n project, which is AI agent, which control your mail inbox. If someone send you message or mail, then this automatically trigger. Then it will be automatically reply to the buyer, to the client, and also. The AI agent will be patch all previous conversation so that AI agent can get knowledge from the previous conversation which topic they are contracting. Okay, then after that, AI agent make a decision what type of message they can reply, and they will reply the client. They will reply the message. Okay, so first of all, when this automatically trigger, if AI automate if mail inbox can get any mail, then this n8n project will be automatically reply. Okay, so first of all, I need to click here for trigger when n8n workflow will trigger when it can get a mail. Okay, so Gmail Gmail on message received. When it will get a message, then it will be automatically worked. Okay, so every minute, and also you can see you can add property like you can add here uh, property search, read, sender, whatever your client demand and your demand. So there is no demand to me, I just want to show the process, step by step process. So fetch test event, then you can see the event is completed, done, and event is completed, but there is no item can get due to there is no inbox in my mail, there is no messages, no mail in my mail, so that's why it not showing any execution. Okay, so if I give the mail send to another mail, no need to send another mail, I can give the mail, this mail to in my mail. So this is the mail, my name, and if I give here the test 1 and Raihan test 1 and send, you can see this is the mail I received. Okay, so if I click here workflow execution, then you can see the one item we can get from that website, from that mail. Okay, what is the mail? This is the mail, text Raihan text 1, this is the snippet, that means this is the body, and you can see the test subject, this is the subject of the mail. Okay, so if you can get 3 or 4 or 5 mail in the 1 minute, in one every 1 minute. So if I can get any other mail, uh, Raihan 2, okay, and test 2, send, you can see that this is the first one and this is the last one. If I click work execution, you can see here is the mail is 1, again mail is 1, but we receive 2 mail. Where is the our another mail? Okay, we can receive the last mail, but we receive 2 mail. First mail, where is the first mail? So we need to fetch the data from the mail. So you need to select the Gmail node, Gmail, yep, Gmail, and need to get a mail, get a message. Okay, get a message, and here you have to give you the message ID. This is the message ID that comes from previous node, previous trigger. Okay, this is the ID, drag and drop and paste it here. Okay, execution step, then you can see the mail that we received. This is the first mail, but we need to get uh, all mail that is unread, which is unread. Okay, so if I click here, we can see the 2 mail, but we received 1 mail. What is our next third mail? So this is only for get one message. Okay, if we want to get thousands of 3,000, 2,000, whatever it is, 2 mail, 3 more mail, we need to get we need to select the operation which is get many. We need to fetch every data. Okay, we need to fetch all data from the mail. So get many. And if I click here work execution, you can see the 2 item here. Okay, so here is the 2 item, 3 item. Okay, where is it? What is the our last item? What is this? Let me check. This is the first one, Raihan 1, Raihan test 1. And thank you, Raihan, reach outing and happy discuss issue through send. I hope I sent this mail, that's why its mail is showing here. Send. Yep, I sent this one, that's why it's showing. If I delete this message and run execution, then you can see the 2 message over here, 2 item. Yes, it's here is 2 item. But if I read this mail, okay, if I read this mail, that means this mail is read and this mail is unread. So if I read this mail and work execution, you can see the 2 item over here, but we already read, we already replied the message. So how we can filter out this one? We need to filter here, add here one item, one node, which is filter node. We need to filter out that those which mail are read and which mail are not unread. Okay, so filter node, we need to add here filter node. And we have, you can see there was a label which name is unread. That means this page, this mail is unread. Okay, and another mail is read, this mail is unread. Okay, and if I go to the second node, this is the unread. Okay, and if I go to the second node, there is no unread. This is the important, this there is no showing unread option. That means we need, if we need to filter out this one, we have to put here the inbox level. This is the id is equal to unread. Id drag and drop and paste it here. Okay, is equal to unread, and you have to put here the unread read, unread. Remember it, this is the string. You cannot capitalized and or you cannot capitalized or or capitalized or smallized, anything you can do it. You just drag and drop and write down whatever it is, exact way, exact capitalize and smallized, anything. So if I click here execute step, then you can see the one item is over here which is unread. Okay, this is unread. Way you can see text 2 is unread. So keep, that means is keep step 2. Step 2, sorry, the subject. Yep, text 2 is unread and read is text 1. Okay, now we are able to filter out the process, which is we can trigger out the mail when can get mail. Then we fetch the all data from the message, from the mail, from the mail, fetch all mail, and we can filter out which is read and which is unread. So if this mail is read, we cannot go ahead for this. If this mail is read, then unread, then we will go to the move forward for replaying the message. Okay, so now we need to add a AI agent over here. AI agent, this is the AI agent, and connect to the uh, define value. Define value means we will give you the prompt to give what will do the AI agent, what cannot do the AI agent. They will use human tone, they won't use robotic tone, robotic word. So we will give you the define value, we will give you the prompt over here, system prompt and everything. So what is the connected chat model? Chat model means messaging system to chat. If someone message the Google message the chat model, then chat model will the reply. But this is not the chat model. This is the AI agent, human, like human. They AI agent will make decision. Okay, make decision, take decision. What is the next process and how they will trigger out. Okay, so define value. Click here, define value, and I will give you here the message. You are the expert inbox manager. Okay, you manager, your manager. Okay, so if I execute the process and this man cannot cannot add chat model. So in this time I will add the chat model Google Gemini. Okay, Google Gemini chat model. And if you want to know how to add the how to add Google Gemini APIs into the n8n, I will show you. Just message me. Okay, and just comment me on the channel. So Google Gemini is added. Memory is not important at this time. And tool, I need to select the Gmail tool that will create action. That means send message. Message will be automatically send. Okay, so you can see the over here the process and send. And here I have to give the prompt engineering, which is here is the email details and email body and everything. So here are an email details. Okay, then subject. What is the subject? I will define the subject, that this is the prompt engineering. You need to give the mail send, and this is the inbox body, and you need to select, you need to make the prompt, and you need to make the command, then you have to send the reply. Okay, subject, this is the subject. What is the subject? Subject snippet is body, and subject, this is the subject, and this is the subject, and body, which is the body, this is the body. Snippet means body, this is the body. And last one is sender means mail, where this can get from. Sender, from, you can see in the from mail and to mail, everything. This is the this is the prompt engineering. This is the prompt that I have to give. What is our subject, and what is our body, and what is the sender. Okay, and where this mail we have to send. And everything is complete. Now I need to give the system message that you are the from this is you are you are um, you are the inbox manager. You are the inbox manager. uh, that you need to the email sending tool added. And I will give you here and that email sending tool. Call this tool to send email reply. Okay, call this tool email sender tool. Sorry, this will be the sending tool, or tools added. email sending tool. Okay, tools only. Call this tool to send email reply. Okay, when this need to reply this mail, then this tool automatically trigger out. Okay, rules: don't use robotic word, just use human tool. Okay, rules don't use robotic tone. Don't use robotic tone and robotic words. You have to trigger like human tone. Okay, this is the rule and this is the process. And execution done. No, I won't be set up right now. Send the mail, and I have to give here the to mail to where they want to send. Automatically trigger out. Automatically AI will be fill up the information, and subject AI will be fill up the subject, and message AI will be automatically reply the message. Okay, everything is complete. Now if I reply the execution, then this message AI automatically send to the mail reply. Okay, what is the problem? I hope the problem is Google Gemini need to uh, select another model that will be help to work execution. I hope now it will be work. Data is configuring and filter out, then AI automation send the mail, and then Gemini work what type of message they want to send, and AI agent send the reply. Now if I go to the mail, then you can see the reply over here. This mail, this Google Gemini send the mail. Yeah, you can see the reply message. Re, that means reply. Google Gemini was reply this mail to the sender. Okay, so if I click, then you can see the this message. Thank you for reaching outing me and best choices. This is the name. Now if I give you the professional mail, so like if I need to um, I need to send a mail from my another mail. If I select this one and Gmail, now you can see the best way, and now you can see the everything. Okay, how this mail is working, and how this is the best way that automatically trigger out and automatically do everything. So if I give here the mail, and I need to give here that I need help. I need help to grow my business with AI, that AI can automatically automatically handle my most of the work with human resources, and also like human. Okay, I put here the everything, and I need to give her the professional subject. I want to help with AI. This is the best way. Okay, so send the mail, then you can get the mail is received over here. I hope it takes couple of times, couple of minutes. Where is the mail? Spams. I want to grow business. No, it's this not the mail, and I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so if I send the mail here, that this is the mail, and send, this is the body of the mail, and you have to give it the professional way. This is the professional way mail, and send the mail here. You can see I want to help with AI. Okay, I still didn't get the mail of the other mail. I think it takes couple of minutes. Okay, by the way, let's come to the point, and you can see that this is the AI. I want to help the AI agent, AI with AI, and work execution is done. Trigger is done, and getting the mail, all of mail from the mail, and filter out two items. That um, two items is filter out which is unread. Okay, and agent done, and everything done. Now it send you the reply. So if I search here, then you can see the two this one from this one. I want to help with AI, and this is the reply. I want to help with AI. Okay, you can see the everything, and this is the AI automated reply. This is the AI automated reply. So if I click here again, then this mail will be this mail will be work again automatically. They won't be know this mail is already replied, but it will be reply. Okay, so what is the way to prevent this? Okay, the work execution done, and now you can see the mail is again sending for this mail. So for this mail, okay, this mail was sending again. This mail from Raihan Hossan. I want to change help, and I want to again and again. This mail is showing this again. So need to prevent this. I need to send add here that Gmail, which will help us mark as read. If this will be mark as read, then Google won't be AI automation won't be select this one, mark as read. Okay, click here, mark as read. Now this mark as read operation, and what is the ID? Okay, which mail do you want to mark as read? How we will select? Every step you can see the filter out. This that was the ID. No, I won't be select this one. Get a message, and then you can see the ID. Same ID, same ID, but you need to select message trigger. No, this is the ID. I will paste here the ID, and it will be automatically unread. Okay, mark as read. So if I click here, it's working step by step. It will be it will be filter out two item, and it's showing a two item. I need to delete all on both this, and you can see the again the sending. And also you will see I want to grow AI agent. It will be mark as read. Two item, mark as read. It send inbox important. Okay, so let's try again. You can see the AI automation is inbox is unread. Okay, so now it won't be work. If I click, if I work execution again, we can see the zero. You can see the zero execution, or you can it will be automatically prevent it, because of there is no item that is unread. All mail is read. So how they will execution is the next step. That's why this is stopped by the filter node. So it won't be go the move forward. It's prevent in the filter node. So if they can get any messages, then it will be work. And this is our the next process, how they will get the previous all messages. Okay, how they can get previous all messages, and then figure out all of that, and they will give you the information to the sender, and fetch the all data of previous conversation, and select here mail, and select here mail, or our operation will be get many. We need to get many previous all conversation from with the client. Okay, previous all conversation, it will be take, and we need to give here the convert prompt system message, that you need to do this one. You need to fetch all data and send the message. mm, get mail data. That means use use these tools to get the previous conversation details before giving a reply. Okay, this tool will be help to get all data from the previous messages with the client. Okay, and you need to give the another rules, which is always check previous conversation. Always check previous to write better email reply. Okay, so this is the prompt that this node will be help to get all data, all knowledge, all conversation to this client from all previous conversation. This this node will help, this node will help to get all previous messages to give the AI automation and AI agent, and then AI agent will be send the mail to the client, to the sender, that they communicating this way, they are communicating for this subject, and they will send the mail. And Google Gemini will be write what type of context. Don't they won't be use any robotic tone, they use manual tone. Okay, so then after that this mail automatically sent to this mail automatically go to the Google, mark as read. If this node is read, mail is read, then this mail won't be the work on next step, it will be prevent this one. So keep creating and step learning step by step. Okay, thank you.